How do I get a jacuzzi hot tub into my garden? Getting a jacuzzi hot tub into your garden couldn't be simpler, whatever the size. All you need is a clear access area of 1.2 meters and we'll do the rest. As part of our commitment to you and your exciting new purchase, we provide a site survey ahead of your install day, making sure that everything runs perfectly when we deliver your new jacuzzi hot tub. In some exceptional cases, you might need a helping hand from a crane lift, but don't worry, we can help with that too. What do I need to prepare before my jacuzzi hot tub is delivered? There are only 3 things you need to provide before your install day. 1. A solid, level base to stand your new hot tub on. 2. An electricity feed to power it. 3. A hose pipe to fill it. It really is that straightforward. Any technical questions about the base structure and specific electrical requirements will be answered during your site survey. And don't forget, we're always on hand to provide additional advice and guidance on installation ideas.